Previously.
Where end game?
Invest in a studio, start a record label.
Studio great, man. Right now, your money, go to good use.
Yes, just put my number in here.
And I got talents, my nigga. I just spent like 4 years buying bars for some dumb shit, my nigga. That's why I'm mad.
Yo, boss. That's like that, man. Put me on ass, get it up.
I need you to take care of him today.
Yo, Greg, I have something to tell you.
So what exactly you tell?
You said right after you make the next drop, I should have you killed.
And where say?
I just confirmed. What are you gonna do?
You mean what me gonna do? But take care of it.
What are we gonna do? I think we should just leave this place.
Nah, I don't know. Sort it out. You're gonna go this.
Hey, how you doing? Well, I'm good. You know, I'd like to take you out sometimes, you know? Just me and you get to know each other. I mean, we've been on the phone for a while now.
When the Williams dropped down. I'm buckling like this.
What's up, guys? Oh, guys, just remember, the both of you here today, the individual song is what we're recording. So, you know,
Creative.
2 G's plus my fees, and the winner gets it. Alright? Who wants to go first?
He can go first. I don't mind. You can go ahead. I take my time next.
Yeah. Tomorrow I think that, Zane. You want Sparta then. Alright. Yo, Mels. You're dealing. Me need to talk to you. Come link me.
I'm buckling like this. He run off up man again.
Alright, I'm ready, you know, anything, you know, me go first, you know, cause I done create my thing, you know, me I get that 2G, you know what I mean? And me I get that money, you know, you see me? Alright. Ready?
Give a crap on social media.
Put it on, dog. Put it on, dog. Tell man, yeah, man. Okay, Professor, I got a nice beat for you. Okay, so you just take that
Yo, I don't war Professor. And you don't know that track you for art. You can't flap. It a fi art. It a fi art.
and you do your
Cause
thing.
anything me do, it a fi art. It a fi art. It a fi art.
Okay?
That track you can't
Now go ahead.
Cause him a waste man. Waste man. Broke and hungry can't give him gal a grand. Him a waste man. Waste man. Live with him mother the boy now have a plan. Him a waste man. Waste man. Anytime him see man him stretch out him hand. Him a waste man. Waste man. Gal have her crutches a wipe him face pan. Him always broke. Him a waste man. No one gonna look at work. Him a waste man. Hype on a barra man shut. Him a waste man. I go on like him no give a fuck. Him a waste man. Girl say mood daddy. Him a waste man. Him sex already. Cause him a waste man. Bank account light in a heavy. Him a waste man. That nigga ya dumber than Eddie. Him a waste man. Girl put him out say a week where you come for. All waste man them belong in a dumpster. Man pocket flat like car wheel with puncher. She get rid of the waste man. Joy shot jump for. Them waste man ya real cartoon. I look a bag of gal don't even wanna rule. She say can you do my nails? This nigga ya say soon. Before that come she woulda reach her moon. Cause him a waste man. Waste man. Broke and hungry can't give him gal a grand. Him a waste man. Waste man. Live with him mother the boy now have a plan. Him a waste man. Waste man. Anytime him see man him shoot out him and him a waste man. Waste man. Gal have a crutches a wipe your face pan. Him a waste man. Waste man. Broke and hungry can't give your gal a grand. Him a waste man. Waste man. Live with him mother the boy now have a plan. Him a waste man. Waste man. Anytime him see me him shoot out him and him a waste man. Waste man. Gyal have a crutches a wipe him face. Him a sell weed and him smoke most of it. Waste man. Money, yeah, him don't have it. Ladies when you get a waste man, yeah, don't panic. Him only a do it for the likes. Don't chronic. Waste man. Waste man. Waste man. Your whole life done and you not have shit. The fuck you wait pan. You take a rope, put it round your neck, jump from a ceiling. That enough you wait pan. Him a waste man. Waste man. Broke and hungry can't give him gal a grand. Him a waste man. Waste man. Live with him mother the boy now have a plan. Him a waste man. Waste man. Always see me him stretch out him hand. Him a waste man. Waste man. Gal have him face a rub catch his pan. Him a waste man. Waste man. Broke and hungry can't give him gal a grand. Him a waste man. Waste man. Live with him mother the boy now have a plan. Him a waste man. Waste man. Anytime you see me him shoot out him and him a waste man. Waste man. Gal have him face a rub catch his pan.
I like it. I like the whole concept, or I like the whole creativity.
Waste man, I like the concept. It doesn't matter because when I make my song, I'm going to make the best song, I know. And I like your concept. It's very good. It's very catchy, you know. Yeah, I'm just going to post this on my Facebook and then ask the people for the comments. She got the NyQuil pussy.
Baby, what are you doing, man? Like, you always doing something, bro.
As I fuck and sleep, she got the NyQuil. I like the song. I'm about to post this on my Facebook for all my jihams.
Oh, okay.
She got the NyQuil pussy. About to post this on my Facebook. This is hot. What do you think about the NyQuil pussy? Post.
Buckle like this. Well, you would take man for pussy. I call him buckle right now. Yo, you know says a real pussy move that I make my youth. You take my bumbuckler song. Yo, remember my bumbuckler telling you anytime I buck you, you know, it never say, you know.
So what go on?
Damn.
The music link now, I tell you something I have, yo, man. I bring you over the zine. Got a long time, I promise you, but I need a big favor for you.
What kind of favor that?
Big, huge favor.
Like what?